Papa. You are my Muslim
Papa.
Papa.
Yeah.
That is why
Huh.
Allah have all power, but we are powerless. It's the man is mortal. Nobody can help us without Allah. Allah all in all. Always Allah observe us. What we say, what we do, what we thought, everything known. Our Rabb. Rabbun Allah, La Sharika Allah, Lahul Mulku, Allahul Hamdu, Wahu ala kulli shayin qadir. Hasbi Fani Amal Maula, Fani Amal Nasir. It's them heart function. Heart function. Okay.
এগুলো শিখছেন কিভাবে আপনি?
My sweetheart, you have no tension. I am educated person.
এগুলো শিখছেন কিভাবে?
I am educated person. This is my Rob teacher. My teacher on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
কোন পর্যন্ত পড়ছে?
My sweetheart, what you want? SSC, HSC, BSS, B.Ed, MSS? What you want? Please say to me. Please say to me. This is my request. Muslim is Muslim. Muslim always believe Allah. Rabbi jitni?
ইলমা।
Yes. This is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala choice. Okay, so nobody can help us without Allah. My Allah is my own owner, own guardian, own guardian.